You made it! Come here for a second. Not bad, kid. Your body log's ready for full function. You're gonna have fun with that thing. You know, all of this, it's what the Boneworks team flushed. Maybe there's more. I don't know, but I do know there's a lot more than just Fantasyland out there. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't know where this all ends. But let's build something and find out together. The ascent ain't gonna be easy, but you're ready, I think. Take this. I'll see you topside.
Level 6 authorization approved. Warning, Boneworks support staff not available for on-site certification. Please be advised, altering Boneworks memory profile will cause catastrophic instability.